Hey everybody, this is Scott Fisher. I'm one of the financial consultants here on our team at John Graham and Associates. And today we're going to be talking about some 2022 end of the year tax planning and a few year-end tax tips. And so as we go through it, there's going to be 7 tips that you can look to take advantage of between now and the end of the year to possibly put you in a better position. So that first tip is going to be, look, if possible, defer income into the next calendar year, especially if you're a business owner, if you have, some bills that you're able to collect, maybe look at that and put that off until the new year if that's possible. Second is you might want to also look at accelerating your deductions, especially if you itemize your taxes. It might be a good idea to pick up those deductions a little bit quicker here this year before the end of the year. Third is make deductible charitable contributions. And so if you already give charitably, that's something you want to look into and see, hey, are these charitable contributions going to help come tax time? Fourth is looking at bumping up your tax withholding to cover any possible tax shortfall. And so if you increase here now for those last couple of paychecks, the tax withholding, that might help you avoid having a bigger bill to pay there come tax time. 5 is save more for retirement. Right? So looking at making maximum contributions into traditional IRAs, taking advantage of company-sponsored retirement plans, all to help lower your taxable income here for 2022. 6 is you want to make sure that you're taking your required minimum distributions. So if you're 72 years or older, you want to make sure that you're complying with that required minimum distribution rule and taking that out before the end of the year. And then lastly, number 7 is weigh any investment or financial moves that you've made. So if earlier this year you realized some capital gains through selling at a profit in a position, possibly look at your portfolio and offset some capital gains with tax loss harvesting within your portfolio. So thanks for joining us here to find out a few tips for the 2022 year-end tax tips. If you like this video, hit subscribe and follow us on YouTube there with Invest with JGA. Also, you can find us online with investwithjga.com. Again, I'm Scott Fisher, and thank you so much for watching.